Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class, I am going to explain about changes within the nucleus in alpha, beta, gamma emission. In previous classes, we studied about emission of alpha, beta, gamma radiations. Here, due to emission of alpha, beta, gamma radiations, what are the changes taken place in the nucleus? We are going to learn. Here, one element you take, X element. Its mass is A and atomic number is represented by Z. Here this element is unstable because of excessive protons. So whenever excessive protons are there, the element emits alpha particles to get the stability. Here alpha particle is combination of two protons and two neutrons. So its atomic number is helium-like structure. Atomic number is 2 and mass is 4. Alpha particle is equal to atomic number 2 and mass is 4, and its atomic structure is similar to helium. So alpha particle is combination of two protons and two neutrons. Proton represents atomic number, proton plus neutron represents atomic mass. So proton plus neutrons, that is atomic mass 4, only protons, atomic number 2. This is alpha particle. Here due to emission of alpha particle from the element, here what will happen? What is the result? New substance form, new nucleus forms here. The nucleus change into other nucleus, as see, by losing atomic number 4 and atomic number 2 and mass 4. Atomic number 2 and mass 4. See, Z minus 2, atomic number decrease 2 and mass decrease 4. You see, it is balanced here. This is alpha particle. Mass, it is emitted from that. So that is why a new nucleus formed with 4 decreasing, mass decreasing 4 and atomic number decreasing 2. So it is balanced. So this is the new nucleus and this is the parent nucleus. This is the new nucleus called as daughter nucleus, and emission is alpha particle. This is the changes taken place. Now see the example. Uranium 238 and 92. 92 atomic number and mass is 238. It is unstable. Condition is unstable. So to get the stability, uranium emits alpha particle to get the stability. When alpha particle is emitted from the uranium, forms new substance, that is thorium, with atomic number 90 and atomic mass 234. See, you observe here what is the changes taken place here. Mass decrease 4 and atomic number decrease 2 because of emission of alpha particle. Now balanced. See, such a way new substance is formed, new element is formed. Uranium convert as thorium by emitting alpha particle and get the stability. Thorium is now here stable condition. Next, because of beta emission, beta emission. What is beta? First of all, what is beta? Here any element have excessive neutrons emits the beta particles and get the stability. How it is taking place? Observe here. Elements have excessive neutrons emits beta particle. Neutrons, what will happen? That excessive neutrons, each neutron by emitting one beta particle convert as proton. Each neutron by emitting beta particle by emitting one beta particle from the neutron, that neutron changes as proton. Such a way all the neutrons change as protons by emitting beta particles, and get the balance of neutrons and protons in the element and get the stability. Here excessive neutrons convert as protons by emitting beta particles. This is taking place innerly inside the nucleus, innerly inside the neutron. Neutron only changes as proton by emitting beta particle. Now see this parent nucleus, atomic number is A and atomic number is Z and atomic mass is A. Parent nucleus, by emitting one beta particle, it changes as another nucleus. Here see daughter nucleus. What is the changes taken place here? Mass no change. When emitting beta particle, mass is not changed, only atomic number is changed. Why? Because that neutron convert as excessive proton, one excessive proton, and by emitting beta particle emitted one neutron convert as proton. That is why one proton increases one. So proton increases means atomic number increases, but no change in the mass. Mass is not changed. Now example, carbon 14-6, by emitting beta particle, it convert as nitrogen. How? Atomic number increases. Atomic number increases 1. No change in the mass. When beta particle emitted from the nucleus, no change in the mass, only atomic number increase by 1 and convert as new element, that is nitrogen. Carbon convert as nitrogen by emitting beta particle. Why? That neutron convert as proton, so excessive proton increases, means atomic number increases, but no change in the mass, emits electron. So electron means here beta particle. Beta particle is equal to electron structure, I said no. So such a way it is happen. Next, gamma emission. Yes, here no changes. When gamma is emitted, no changes in the mass, no changes in the atomic number, just energy is released. Here why gamma particle emits, every emission of alpha particle or every emission of beta particle, that nucleus get the exciting stage, means some energy, high energy, because of emitting of alpha particles and beta particles, alpha or beta particles, the nucleus gets into exciting stage with high energy. So here by emitting the energy in the form of gamma radiation, that get into stable condition. So just only energy released, no change in the mass, no change in the atomic number, just energy is released. Already explained why gamma particle is always emits with the alpha particle or beta particle. Here see, in every time emission is taken place as alpha and gamma or beta and gamma. After emitting alpha particle, that nucleus get high energy and exciting stage, so then energy released by gamma, it gets stability. Or after when it is happen, when protons are excessive, gamma particles emits, and after emitting the when protons are excessive, alpha particles emits. After emitting alpha particles, that nucleus get exciting stage with high energy, then immediately energy also released in the form of gamma particles. Alpha and gamma it taken place. Or in case of excessive neutrons, what will happen? Beta particles emits. After emitting beta particles, that nucleus get exciting stage with high energy and immediately release energy also in the form of gamma radiation and get stability. So either this happen or this happen. In every nucleus, alpha after gamma or beta after gamma. This type of emission is taken place to get the stability of the nucleus. That's all for now. Thank you.